Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain string concatenation in Python programming. A string concatenation is combine different strings and they will be added to the end of the another string. Here's an example. Let's say that we had the word hello and I want to add my name to the end of this word to make it a simple string. I can combine two strings by simply using plus sign. Now I add my name as a string mlk. Now I combine them by using plus sign. Let's run this code. Now you can see the result in the console hello mlk. But there is no space between hello and mlk because they don't used space character inside any of these strings. If I want to add a space between hello and mlk, there are several ways to do that. First way is we can simply add a space at the end of the first string. Let's run this code. Now you can see there's a space between hello and mlk. Also I can do that simply adding a space character at the beginning of the second string. Let's run that. It's also do the same thing like before, added a space between hello and mlk. There's another way to do that. I can add a string of space middle of the hello and mlk two strings and combine them using plus sign. Let's run this code. Now I can see the space string I had do the same thing like before. That's what we called string concatenation in Python programming.